Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. Today in task 30, the better things to do. Let us just go through it. It's written that as we grow older, we need to make certain decisions by ourselves. Do you agree? At many times, you will have to decide for your own selves, right? Every time you are not going to get your friend or your mom or your dad or your teacher to guide you, right? You will have to learn to make your own decisions, wise decisions, right? In the given situations, what do you feel is the better option? So there are few situations, about 5 situations given, and also the options are given. So you have to decide what according to you is better, what is right from the both options. Okay. So just go through it, read it calmly, sit alone and try to do it on your own. Right? For example, the first one says a man is sitting on a lady's seat in a bus while an old lady is standing. What should you do? So, if you see a man sitting on a lady's seat in a bus where he's not supposed to sit, right? And there's an old lady who is standing there. So, what are you going to do? Option A is asking you, ask the man to vacate the seat, ask the man to stand up from there, or option B, offer the lady your seat. You're going to offer the old lady your seat. So, according to you, what is the correct answer? What do you think is better? Both the options are right, see. But you will select according to your choice, your decision, you're going to say. Okay. So, similarly, there are other more 4 situations given. Think and decide. Right? Then moving further to task number 31. Task number 31 is self-appreciation. Self-appreciation is appreciating is to value, to praise, to know our own worth. Okay, and this is self-appreciation. So at times we appreciate our friends. Yes, you got a good dress, you got a new nice pen, right? But we forget to appreciate our own selves. So that is also very important. We should know our own value, how good we are, right? So there are few questions and you're going to answer them. For example, A says, write some of your strengths. What are strengths? Yes, the things that make you a good child. So that you're going to write. Option B says, write some of your hobbies. So you're going to mention your hobbies. And C says, write a few new things that you wish to learn. So there are a few things in your list that you want to learn, and I'm sure you must have learned some or the other skills in this lockdown and staying at home, right? So you're going to list them. Okay. So here the yellow box says clay molding, dancing and origami are some fun hobby ideas. Try to find out more about each of them. So I think you're aware of all of this, right? So you can think about it. What are the other things that you like to do? Okay. Then moving further, number 32, task number 32 says, on a journey. It says, don't you love to travel? When I was of your age, the best part of the family vacation was a journey to a place by train. I would love to sit by the window and count the number of electric poles and tunnels that we passed through. I would also love to meet and make new friends. Nowadays, the cost of air ticket is much less and many more people are traveling by aeroplanes. Not only is the reason why people travel more by aeroplane, but nowadays people don't have much time, right? When I was young, we would have a month long holiday, but now when your parents are working, you don't have that such long holidays, right? So now what it says, before starting on a journey by a train or an aeroplane, I need to check. What do you need to check when you are on a journey, when you have to go for a journey? Have I packed everything? Have I taken all the essentials that I need? Have I put in the last minute essentials like my toothbrush and the sleepers? Is my phone charged and am I carrying my charger? So you'll check your tablets or your Kindle. Do I have my ticket? That is the most important thing. And what is the time of the departure of the train ticket? So you know about the train journeys and the aeroplane journeys, that the time is written in 24 hours. So you'll have to be very alert, okay, when you're traveling. Sometimes the train or the planes could be delayed. Yes, they get delayed. There are phone numbers which we can call up to find out the current and the correct time at which the train or the plane will leave. At times it happens when we are on a long journey at a far place, the train would get late. Okay, so we can inquire on the phone numbers that are mentioned in the tickets whether the train or the plane is in time or not. And nowadays in the state transport buses also everything is easily available, right? You can book the tickets for the bus traveling also very easily online. Okay, and you can be updated about its departure, whether it's getting late or is it on time. Page number 40 says, always ensure that you leave well in advance so that you can reach the station at least 30 minutes before the train departs. In India, we need to reach the airport at least 1 to 1.5 hours before the flight takes off. On a train, what are you not supposed to do? Run up and down the corridors. Climb up and down the berths. Stick your arms out of the windows. Throw empty packets of food items on the ground. Anywhere you're not supposed to do that. Throw the used cup and plates out of the window. Make loud noises and disturb your fellow passengers. Never you should do that. Okay, so there are some basic rules that are given when you travel. What are you supposed to do? And also at times you would need to change the platform. The train would arrive at different platform. So the train has also its train number. And there is a display board where you can just get to know where your train is going to be on which platform. And also a constant announcement is being made at the platforms that this train number, this going from this place to this place, will be reaching platform number this at this time. Okay, so you can go there. Okay, but you should be in time, otherwise if you will hurry you may hurt yourself also. To be very alert. So that is it. It's just an information. Okay, so I hope this all three tasks were very useful to you and you're going to complete the given task because it is all self analysis. Okay, thank you children, happy learning.